LogViewPlus can monitor log files and notify you when a specific event occurs. To create a notification, the first thing we need to do is tell LogViewPlus how we'd like to be notified. I'm going to go to Settings, Notifications, and create a new pop-up alert. But notice that several other notification types are also available. If I give the configuration a quick test, we can see the new pop-up is working. Now we can create a filter which isolates the events we're interested in monitoring. First, I'm just going to clear the log file. We can use the notify command with the pop-up notification we created earlier. The notification message is configurable, but we're just going to use the default values. Now, when a new log entry is written to the filter, I get a pop-up notification. To edit notifications, you can just double-click on the icon next to the filter.